This is what I get. The water is running. Water pump. Nice and cool. I added some ice to it. Ice packs. Right before it got even, warm. This is in the past. Now it's really nice and cool. This is what I get. It's all connected. Trying to get it going. Nothing. And when it turns on, it only goes for 10-15 seconds. But it won't even do it. No idea why. This thing connects, disconnects. I don't know. This is what I have. This is the oil I have. Recommended oil. Everything seems to be nicely connected. Oil level is perfect, as recommended. I hope you could see that. And I don't know what's going on. You may need to send me a replacement. Thank you.